Concerts need to stop punishing us people who are punctual. Don't tell me the doors open at 8, so I arrive at 8:30 closer to 9, and then the show doesn't start till 11, 11:30, even midnight. They say time is money and money is time, so why are you wasting my time and my money having me wait longer than I need to for what I paid for? Because there's a bunch of other factors that affect you as well. Are you standing or are you sitting? Are you trying to get up front or are you just trying to post up and chill? Is it indoor or outdoor? What season? What time of year is it? Like, it affects so many things. Hey promoters, I know you got stuff to do the next day as well, like you got tours and other places to be, but so do I. I may have school or work in the morning. You don't know what I got going on.
What about the people that travel? You got the people that drive locally but aren't local to the area. They're like an hour away, so they still got to get there and back. And what about the people that are flying, got a flight the next day? I was just at a show down in Miami for Basil, and the show didn't end up actually starting until like 1 a.m. And the dude that was there next to me had to leave with his girlfriend because they were flying back to Cleveland at like 5 a.m.
And again, I understand things happen. You know, someone could be running late, there could be a technical or audio malfunction, like things like that happen. But don't post that doors are opening at 7, show starts at 8, and I haven't even heard one thing go on, and it's now 10:30. And of course, I'm gonna stay and I'm gonna thug it out because not only did I pay to be there, I've already been there, but I'm not gonna leave after just suffering this whole time and not see who I want to see. So then when the local guy comes on, we're already angry at you, and in turn, we affect them. We're not gonna be as hype as we maybe would be if you came out on time or if the show started. And a side note, why can't y'all just post your full lineup? Like, I don't care if there's 10 openers, just let me know who the openers are. And yeah, you could definitely leave, no one's telling you to stay, but then you're kind of walking away like, damn, you just wasted your own time and your own bread. So in conclusion, to anyone who's putting on a show, don't tell me come in at 8 if the show's gonna start at 11. Put that on there, like put it on the flyer, don't waste anyone's time.